Stop scrolling.
I almost missed my flight because I couldn't speak English.
And that feeling, standing there, frozen, not understanding, that ends today.
People were talking fast, confident, and I felt invisible.
If you've ever felt like that, stay here. Don't leave. And right now, type this in the comments. I'm ready.
Airports scare me.
Tell me why.
Too many people, too many signs, too much English. My brain just shuts down.
Okay, today you're not alone. I'm with you, every step.
From the entrance to the plane?
From the entrance to the seat.
Okay, let's do this. There are signs everywhere. I don't understand anything.
Slow down. Look at one word. Departures.
Leaving?
Yes, flights that are leaving. Arrivals.
Coming?
Exactly.
Oh, that's actually simple.
English is simple when you don't rush. But listen, signs don't talk to you. People do.
Yeah, that's where I panic.
Good. Let's face it. You're at the counter. The agent is looking at you. Speak. Look at me. Say this. I'd like to check in, please.
I'd like to check in, please.
Again.
I'd like to check in, please.
Perfect. That's all you need to start. Now listen carefully. Passport, please.
Wait, what? I didn't understand.
Passport. She wants your passport.
Oh, okay. Here you go.
Good. That moment, right there, that's where most people freeze. But you didn't.
My heart is still beating fast.
That's normal. It means you're doing something new. Do you have any bags to check?
All my bags?
No. Listen carefully. Big suitcase, checked bag. Small bag with you, carry on.
Oh, yes, I have one bag to check.
Perfect. You're doing better than you think.
Maybe, just maybe, I can do this.
Don't relax yet. Security is next.
Oh no, I hate this part.
Stay with me. Focus. 3 things. Remove your shoes. Take out your laptop. Put your items in the bin.
Shoes, laptop, bin.
Again. Slower.
Remove shoes, take out laptop, put items in the bin.
Good.
Wait, my water bottle, I forgot.
Okay. This is real now. Sir, you can't bring that.
I didn't know.
Say this.
I'm sorry, I didn't know.
Throw it away.
Okay. That was stressful.
But look at what you did. You made a mistake. And you handled it.
Yeah, I didn't freeze this time.
Exactly. Confidence is not perfection. It's recovery.
I like that. Confidence is recovery.
Say it again.
Confidence is recovery.
That's it.
Okay, now what?
Now you're lost.
Great.
Good. Ask.
Excuse me, where is gate B7?
Louder.
Excuse me, where is gate B7?
Perfect. Always start with, excuse me,
Why?
because it shows respect. People help you more when you're polite.
Makes sense. I'm actually starting to enjoy this.
Good.
I'm hungry now.
Perfect timing. Practice again.
Okay. Hi, can I have a coffee, please?
That'll be $5.
That'll be...
The total price.
Oh, here you go.
Very natural. You're sounding like a real speaker now.
Don't say that. I might believe it.
Believe it. Because the next step is real. Final boarding call.
Wait, what does that mean?
Last chance. Move now.
Okay. Let's go.
Boarding pass, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, that sounded normal.
Because it is.
I remember, not long ago, I couldn't say one sentence. I was quiet, scared, avoiding people.
And now?
Now, I speak. I make mistakes, but I keep going. And people understand me.
That's everything. And you, watching this, you are exactly where Jake was. Confused, maybe scared, maybe doubting yourself. But you're still here. That means something.
Don't stop. Even when it feels hard, even when your voice shakes, speak anyway.
One phrase at a time. One situation at a time. One step at a time.
That's how I did it.
And that's how you will do it. Now tell me, what is one phrase you learned today? Write it in the comments.
Just one.
And if this helped you, like the video. It takes 1 second, but it helps more people like you.
And subscribe. More real situations are coming.
Restaurants, hotels, interviews. Real English. Real confidence.
Keep going.
You're closer than you think. See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.